What's up guys, welcome back to Avengers. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but I'm hoping in 2018 I'll be able to post a lot more. Just to give you a little recap of what was going on and where we're at now. Basically where I left the channel last was I had been working on Eleanor, my 97 Civic hatch with turbo, D16 Y8, and basically it blew a head gasket on the dyno. Made about 200-ish horsepower. Blew a head gasket on the dyno, and that's kind of where I had left off on the channel. I fixed the head gasket and got it running, never got it back on the dyno. Still at that same tune, so probably still right around the 200-ish horsepower. Took it to drag strip a couple of times, nothing amazing, because again, only about 200 horsepower. I think 14.1 was my fastest, if I remember right. I think so. It's been a while. So that's on the street tires. Anyway, so that project's still running. It hasn't got any more tuning done, but that's hopefully to come later on this year, as well as what you see here in the background. So my new project, a 1986 Chevy C10 short wide bed. Still gonna be working on the Civic, but gonna be working more on that now. That's kind of where we're gonna be. Currently working on rebuilding a Turbo 400 for it, so stay tuned for those videos. It's probably going to be a short series of them. I haven't decided yet if I want to do one long video or a bunch of small ones. So yeah, that's pretty much where we're at. Just letting you guys know that I'm still alive and that I'm hopefully going to be posting more videos here in 2018, and we'll get some projects, some import stuff with the Civics, and we'll get some domestic stuff with the 86 C10. So stay tuned guys, and thanks for sticking around, and for those who started subscribing even after I haven't posted in a year, I appreciate it, and hopefully I can actually get some content for you guys. So there it is.